I only have a few seconds. I just got called up, but we have the inner loop on the local city wired with new wire. Good lamp wire, 18 gauge, 2-wire. Getting rid of that old stuff. And I just tested it with the 287 and the heavyweights, and he did a great job. 2 amps. He did inner and outer loop. He did the shunt. He did the main line. And I'm getting comfortable, or at least I'm learning how to look for when the train's past a switch, then switch it back or whatever. So I'm getting that part figured out. And we've got a vintage rebuilt steam whistle with the Wizard of Oz motif, but it's magnetic, so I can put a Christmas banner over it. And when we run the Oz train, I can pull that off. So, and I got the other bed, track bed. It's foam, it's not cork, but it's the same height. So I'm going to finish this loop here and this loop here probably tomorrow. And I can start pushing wires down through the floor if I know where they are. I've used this heavy gauge wire only on Margaret's city loop. Here you'll see it, smooth side out. I had 2 miswires, unbelievable. Even after all the time and knowledge, right? Oh, and I got this barrier I wanted to share with you. This is actually for, see that red tape comes off and it's adhesive, right? It's for the bottom of a door, like a big front door. And you stick it on the front door, and when you open and close the door, it keeps bugs from coming in underneath the door. But here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna split that tape and stick it on the end in place of this wood here. Look at that. And it's gonna stick up almost, well, over 2 inches. And it's a rubber barrier. It's firm at the bottom and then it gets real flimsy at top. So it'll catch something if he hops the track before he goes on to concrete. Anyway, that's the idea. This is the house. I don't think it has a song. The other one had a song. All right, off. Okay, got to go upstairs. I got to get milk and OJ, and then I'm all set. Oh, geez. Oh, and I got the screws for these guys. You can see the silver screw heads. They're bolted down, baby cakes, bolted down. I put this one in. I've decided I am going to change this shunt. I don't want to have to do that just to switch over. I want to have an inner and outer loop. So I'm going to run another pair of switches, and I have them just outside there, just in front of the diner, and have an inner and outer loop. I'm going to do that, and that'll be this switch. It's not wired up yet. Then we're going to do this, and then we got, this is for lighting. Oh, and I got the new light. I tell you, I don't have time. But I got a light strip that's got a remote control, and it colors and flashes. It is crazy. You won't believe it. And I got good feedback from you all. Thank you on the notion of the vignettes, the little dioramas and the stories that go with it. And I'm working on some New York stuff as well. I got the semaphore. I'm going to put that there. Got the radio station. I got something there. And I think I'm hoping between Steve and myself, Huck, we can find that recording. If not, I'll just make it up and try to mimic his voice, because it was very heartwarming, and I've always appreciated Steve for doing that. Okay, we're out of here. Gotta go. Bye.